exercise 10.3. In previous class, before holiday, we have completed 10.1 and 10.2. In 10.1 and 10.2, addition was there. Now today we will start subtraction, that is exercise 10.3. In this exercise 10.3, question number 1 is subtract the following. Question is given 7 by 11 minus 2 by 11. Here it is like fraction, in both the fraction having same denominator. So if they are having same denominator, one time you will write 11 and this numerator you will write 7 minus 2. Okay. Now 7 minus 2, that is 5, and this 11. So it is the answer. Simply we did in the addition also. So it is also very simple, only in plus sign we will put minus because it is subtraction. In question number 2, 8 by 17 minus 4 by 17 is equal to, again it is like fraction. So like fraction LCM will be same, that 17 will come, then again 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is 4 by 17. This is the answer. Number 3 is also 16 by 21 minus 1 by 21. Again 21, 16 minus 1, that is 15 by 21. This is the answer. Number 4 is also same, 9 by 31, 8 by 31, 9 minus 8, that is 1. Understood? So only we will subtract and write this denominator only one time. Okay. Number 5 is also same, 14 by 27 minus 4 by 27. Again it is same denominator. So LCM will be same, 14 minus 4, write in the numerator, 14 minus 4 is 10 by 27. This is the answer. So 10.3 we have completed 1 to 5. It is same. You will try to do 6 to 12. It will be your homework. Now 10.3 is completed. We will start subtraction on unlike fraction. Okay. So let us start, that is 10.4. In exercise 10.4, MCQ is there. First we will solve MCQ. Number 1. On subtracting 2 by 3 from 1, the difference is. That means we have to subtract 2 by 3 from 1. Here 1, no number is given in the denominator, so we can write divided by 1. Okay. Now here 1 and 3. We know that if in the denominator 1 and any number is there, that number will come, because when we will find out the LCM of this number, 3 1 ja 3. So 3 1 ja 3. LCM will be 3. So first we will make this fractional number, that LCM 3, denominator we will make. So 1 into 3, that is 1 into 3. Okay. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. First we will make this denominator 3. Second fraction is 2 by 3. Again here 3 is already given, so we will multiply it by 1. So 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3. Now it is the 3 by 3 is the first fraction and 2 by 3, that is same, 2 by 3. Now we get the same denominator. So now we will subtract 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 3. This is the answer, which is your option number C. So you will put tick mark in C. Next question is question number 2. The difference between 7 by 8 and 1 by 4. 7 by 8 and 1 by 4. Okay. It is given. So first it is unlike fraction. So first we will find out the LCM of the given denominator, that is 4 and 8. Both is divisible by 2. So we will take 2. In 2's table, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Then again 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now we will multiply it, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So LCM is 8. Now what we will do, we will make this denominator 8. Okay, because our LCM is 8. So 7 by 8 is given. Here 8 is already here, so we will multiply it by 1. Okay, same number you will multiply in the numerator. 7 1 is 7, 8 1 is 8. Now second fraction is 1 by 4. We have to make this 4 8. So what we will multiply? We will multiply it by 2, because 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Same number you will multiply in the numerator. 2 1 is 2 and it is 4 2 is 8. Now first fraction is 7 by 8. Second is minus 2 by 8. Now we get the same denominator. So we will write it one time and it is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5 by 8. This is the answer which is given in your question number, option number D. You will put tick mark in D. Clear? So we have completed 2 questions of an MCQ. Now we will solve number 3. In number 3, when 1 by 2 is subtracted from 5 by 8, the difference obtained is 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Okay, when 1 by 2 is subtracted from 5 by 8. So again it is unlike fraction. So first we will find out the LCM of the given denominator. It is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2. Then again 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. Now multiply it. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So LCM is 8. Now first we will make this fraction. We will write here LCM is 8. What we are getting in LCM, same number you will make in the denominator. So you will multiply here again. 8 is already here. So we will multiply it by 1. 8 1 is 8 and it is 5 1 is 5. Next fraction is 1 by 2. Now which number you will multiply to get 8? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. So you will multiply it by 4. So 4 1 is 4 and 2 4 is 8. Now it is the first fraction, it is the second fraction. Now subtract it. 5 by 8 minus 4 by 8. Same denominator is there. So 8 one time you will write. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 8. So this is the answer which is given in option number A. So you will put tick mark in A. Clear? So we have completed MCQ. Now next question is question number 2. Subtract the following. In question number it is also same, just we did in MCQ. Subtract. Number 1 is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Here it is unlike fraction, so first we will find out the LCM of the given number. 3 1 is, sorry, it is even number, so we will take it by 2. 2 2 is 4, then 2 1 is 2, then 3 1 is 3. Now multiply it. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So our LCM is 12. Now we will make this denominator 12. So we will multiply. First fraction is 2 by 3. Now we will make this 3 12. So we will multiply it by 4, because 3 4 is 12. Same number you will multiply in the numerator also. 2 4 is 8, 3 4 is 12. Now again 1 by 4 is given. Now which number you will multiply? 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. 3 1 is 3, 4 3 is 12. Now it is the main fraction. What we get after making the same denominator? 8 by 12 minus 3 by 12. 8 minus 3 is 5 by 12. So this is the answer. Okay, it is a given question. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 12. So we have completed that question number 1. Now next question is question number 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Here 4 and 5 in the denominator. So we will first find out the LCM. 4 2 2 is 4, 5 as it is you will write, 2 1 is 2. then 5 1 ja 5, 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So what is the LCM? LCM we get 20. Now we will make this fraction, denominator will be 20 because our LCM is 20. So 4 into 5 and 3 into 5. 3 5 ja 15, 4 5 ja 20. Clear? Now again next fraction is 1 by 5. 5 we will multiply it by 4. Then 4 1 ja 4, 5 4 ja 20. So what is the given question? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. After making this, 15 by 20 it is, and it is 4 by 20. Now 15 minus 4, that will be 11 by 20. This is the answer. Understood? So we have completed 2 questions. Next we will see question number 3, that is 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Here, unlike fraction again, so first we will find out the LCM of 8 and 4. Both are even number, so we will take 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. If both the number is divisible by that number you will take only, okay? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So LCM is 8. Now we will make it 8. 3 by 8 is already 8 is here. So you will multiply it by 1. 3 1 ja 3, 8 1 ja 8. Next fraction is 1 by 4. So you will multiply it by 2 because 4 2 ja 8. So 2 1 ja 2, 4 2 ja 8. Now both the denominator is same. What is the main question? 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 8 minus, it is 2 by 8. So 3 minus 2 by 8. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 8. So this is the answer. We have completed this question number 3. Next is question number 4. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Here again 5 and 10. So first we will find out the LCM. 5 is divisible by, 5 is not divisible by 2, 10 is divisible by 2. So 2 5 ja 10, 5 as it is you will write. Then 5 1 ja 5. 2 into 5, that is 10. So 1 by 5, we have to make the denominator 10 because our LCM is 10. So 5 2 ja 10, we will multiply it by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 5 2 ja 10. Sorry, it is the first fraction. Okay. Next fraction is 1 by 10. So 1, it is already 10, so you will multiply it by 1. 10 1 ja 10. Now what is the main fraction? 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Here 1 by 5 is 2 by 10 and 1 by 10 is already 1 by 10. Then 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 10. This is the answer. Now one more question we will do. All the questions are same. Many of the questions are given here, so you will try to do. It will be your homework. 5 I am doing. I am solving question number 5, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8. Here 3 and 8. 8 is divisible by 2. 3 as it is you will write. 2 4 ja 8. Then 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 1 ja 2 and it is 3 1 ja 3. Okay. Now multiply it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. So LCM is 24. Now we have to make this denominator 24. First fraction is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. 3 into 8. 3 8 ja 24. So you will multiply it by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 3 8 ja 24. Next fraction is 1 by 8. 8 3 ja 24. So you will multiply it by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 8 3 ja 24. Our main fraction is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8. That is 8 by 24 minus 3 by 24. Now 24. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 24. This is the answer. So you will try to do all these questions. That will be your homework 6 to 18. It will be your homework. Thank you. Next class we will start 10.5. Thank you.